beats, Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. Compliments of the season, guys. Today I'm gonna show you guys different beautiful ways that I was able to style this beautiful headband wig. But before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to style this beautiful headband wig. As you guys can see, this wig has a body wave texture and it's very long. It's up to 24 inches. It's really long, and it has a body wave texture. It's very nice, and the wig is from Julia Hair Company. I'm gonna put all the links and hair specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. It's really affordable if you decide to get some for yourself. Like, the amazing thing about it is the fact that you can just wear the same wig every day. You just change different types of headband, and this wig comes with lots of headbands that you can wear from Monday to Friday, and nobody will even notice that you're wearing the same wig. So guys, I'm so excited for you guys to watch this video. Now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what came with the package. As you guys can see, we have lots of different types of headbands that came with this package. So right here, this is the wig. You guys can see it has a body wave texture, and it's so beautiful and very long, and the texture is very soft. So right here, I'm just gonna take my hair jam, and then I'm gonna start applying it on my edges. But first of all, I sprayed a little bit of water on my edges, then I'm applying the hair jam as well. After applying the jam, I'm gonna brush my hair. After brushing it, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it and leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes to dry. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf and then put on the wig. As I'm putting on the wig, I'm making sure that I put on the hair clips. Is very important, so that the wig will be very tight and secured. So after putting on the wig, I'm just gonna fluff it with my hands and then put on the headband. I went ahead to apply a little bit of olive oil on the hair, because it's already very soft and beautiful, so you don't need to do much. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is so beautiful. I love this headband. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it with different headbands, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So right here, I'm trying a different headband. Like I said, this wig comes with so many headbands, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys different ways I was able to style this wig. And yes, guys, that is pretty much it. This is the last style. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.